Welcome to A3 DTF printer production line. A batch of A3 DTF printers will be produced, tested, and packed well today. The printer has two print heads, one for color printing and one for white printing. The anti-collision device will help protect the carriage and print heads better. The platform can do 33 cm printing maximum. The front, middle, and back heating function will dry the printing faster. The second metal sheets will protect the printer more durable and strong. Behind the printer there is a media detective sensor. When media runs out, it will alert and stop the printer working. This is intelligent temperature control system. When people use it, it will adjust the temperature and vacuum easily.